Caldas Bottle Industry, a world-class enterprise. The Caldas Bottle Industry is a company that marks the difference because our integrated system of management is sustained in the base of investigation, the innovation, and the fast process, fitting to the demandings of the worldwide market. Our integrated system of management, SIG, gathers the norms of quality ISO 9001, environmental system ISO 14001, industrial security and occupational health OSAS 18001, and the system of management and safety control business or Alliance Security Commerce BASC. But what do we mark the difference in? We count on last technology equipment for the analysis of the components of our alcohol and liquors. We have control on our raw materials in the different stages of the productive processes. For the alcohol production, rated like the best elaborated in Colombia, we have gotten a level of automation in our distillery of the 96%, which makes us highly competitive. Our responsibility concentrates in the total satisfaction of our clients with a product of highest quality, in the responsible care of the environment, in the security that we offer to our workers, and in the efficient handling of all our resources to be more profitable each day, leaned on a continuous improvement of all our activities. We are betting on the global world. That's why we fortify the internal and external security, the anti-narcotics protection and anti-terrorism, implementing the norm BASC, Business Alliance for Secure Commerce, that guarantees a safe commerce of our liquors. What do we do for the environment? The water streams from our mountains in a forest of 260 hectares that is taken care of and cultivated to guarantee the permanent provision throughout the year. The water is led to the treatment plant, where the operations of purification and preparation are done, where thereafter it is conducted to the distillation plant, finally to the plant of elaboration of liquors. There, it is put under a microfiltration process that extremes even more the quality to guarantee that the novelty is equal to the one of our brandies and rums. Remains byproduct of the manufacture of the alcohol and highly polluting is treated totally nowadays in our plant of wastewater treatment, PETAR. Its decomposition in our reactors generates biogas that replaces in a 20% the natural gas that is consumed in the Caldas drinking bottle industry. The effluent of remains decontaminated is used partially, like irrigation in experimental potato crops. These will be used like experimental means to get the alcohol for the elaboration of vodka. Between these crops, we have the white oak, raw material in the manufacture of our barrels. We will use 19 hectares in this project that will be fertile technically with the effluent, reaching to eliminate the 100% of our pouring into the Manizales Creek. All this has allowed the Caldas drinking bottle industry to begin a project of mechanism of cleaning development, MDL, placed as the first drinking bottle industry of Colombia, with the potential to sell carbon bonds by the Protocol of Kyoto. We advance in productivity. We mark the difference as well in the efficiency for the manufacturing processes and packaging of liquors. The increase of the consumption of Caldas all rum generated within the company fast answers in the adjustment of the manufacturing and packaging processes, going from 250,000 to 600,000 units per day. The barreling and unbarreling of our aged storing stopped being manual activities and of low performance to be mechanized, in which the efficiency was tripled and allowed to decrease significantly the time in elaboration of the rum. we increased the alcohol production store in 110% with respect to previous years, making us into the unique drinking bottle company of the country in production and aging of its own story. In this everyday improvement, the transport and the conduction of our liquors in the elaboration area changed from PVC pipes to stainless steel pipes, getting to the feeding tanks of each line of packaging. This high productivity goal was a consequence of the analysis of distribution of different equipment in the lines of packaging, as well as the reduction of the total time in the operation of each of them, and the use of a good maintenance program. All the productive chain that includes consumption, production, storage, and dispatch was efficiently coordinated by our logistic program. In quality, we dawn on guard. Quality has been a center of constant attention in the Caldas drinking bottle industry. The Aguardiente Cristal and the Caldas All Rum have received international prizes for flavor and quality, like International Taste and Quality Institute (ITQI) of Brussels in year 2005 and 2006, and World Spirits of San Francisco in 2005. The product portfolio of the Caldas drinking bottle industry is sold with Caldense pride in almost all the Colombian geography and several countries of America and Europe. The integrated system of management began to report many advantages to the Caldas drinking bottle industry. It documented activities, assuring that they were developed in agreement with each established norm, which has contributed to the continuous improvement of the organization. With the SIG, we began to apply the measurement through management indicators, a group of internal auditors who support the verification of the effectiveness of the processes. That group was established to give improvement opportunities. Our company is now the first Colombian public company in receiving the certification of the Integrated System of Management (SIG) by the international company Bureau Veritas Certification and Business Alliance for Secure Commerce (BASC). There are only a few companies that face a challenge of this nature. Nevertheless, the Caldas drinking bottle industry dared to do a job of high engineering. The Caldas drinking bottle industry entered into the selected group of the 40 companies of the Colombian sector enterprise that show the certification of the integrated system of management. Without doubt, the company goes by the correct footpath to become a company of worldwide class.